I would like to move now to keep the momentum actually. And Mr. Praveen Kumara is our next speaker. He's a research scholar.
Yes, sir.
Department of Geology. He's from Department of Geology, School of Earth Science, Central University of Karnataka, and he will talk on seasonal groundwater level fluctuation analysis in Jagalpur Taluk in the Karnataka state of India, in a province of Karnataka state of India. So Praveen, could you please start your presentation? I am
Sure,
stopping
sure.
my slide.
My voice is audible, sir?
Yes.
Okay, now I will
Yes, sir. Yes, nicely audible.
Okay. Sir, my screen is it's seeing there?
Yeah, it's
screen is okay?
Yeah, it's very
Screen
fine.
is
Just
okay,
press
sir?
F5 to make it large.
Okay, 1 minute. Sir, now it is moving?
Okay. Yeah,
It's moving?
very nice.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you, thank you. I will start. Sir, good afternoon, everyone. So, myself, Praveen Kumar, Research Scholar, Department of Geology, Central Institute of Karnataka. So, today I will talk about seasonal groundwater level fluctuation analysis in Jagalur Taluk, Davangere district, Karnataka State, India. So, this is our topic. This is the presentation outline. I will skip these slides, and this is the introduction. I will skip this slide. So this is a very important, that is a location, our study area, that is a Jagalur Taluk. So the current study area was carried out to Jagalur Taluk, Davangere district, Karnataka State, India. Total our geographical area, total 971.64 square kilometer is there. So these are the neighbor taluks, it means administrative blocks. So this is our study area. So this is very important research objectives. What are the research objectives of our presentation? The objective of the investigation is to evaluate the hydrogeological and hydrogeological condition of the study area. So we want to find out what are the water resource available. We want to find out. So major research to evaluate groundwater level measurement from different type of groundwater and surface water source around the study area. You want to find out where it is there groundwater. So it is borewell or surface water, lake or seas. You want to find out and evaluate. And another one, to evaluate groundwater level data within our study area. What is the study area? That is a Jagalur Taluk. That area you have to find out. So to evaluate average value from groundwater level measurement data to find fall it means decreases, and rise it means increase depth to water level measurements around the study area. Want to find out what are the groundwater level, it is increase or decrease. You want to find it. These are the research objectives. This is the geological map of Jagalur Taluk. Geologically, the area, it is composed dominantly gneisses, which belongs to the PGC, Peninsular Gneisses Complex. So the different type of rock is there: amphibolite, chlorite, dolerite, gray granite. So these are the very structurally and petrologically connection is there. So very importantly, in that study area, groundwater is found occur within the weathered and fractured granitic gneisses. And schistose rocks belong to the Chitradurga group. This is Dharwad craton is there. It is purely from geological. So this is a very important land cover map of Jagalur Taluk. What is the land cover map? So how much acquired water bodies, how much acquired built up of land, how much barren land is there, that is a vegetation also. So these are the maps included in the land cover map. So how much area it is there, vegetation is the forest, like water how much is there, which season. This is the pre-monsoon, we can call for pre-monsoon, that is a May 2020. So this is the December, this is the post monsoon. So what is the difference we are observe here? So you can go there. So this is the LUL classes. So here you can observe May 2019 and December 2020. So water, it is increasing. So water is increasing and built up land is there. We can compare these percentage. So area of kilometers. So this is the total, how much built up land in the season of May and how much built up land acquired in the December 2020. That is a pre-monsoon and post-monsoon. This is a pre-monsoon and post-monsoon. You have to observe. It is slowly somewhere it is increasing. Vegetation also increasing because of the December, October. It is a rainy season. So this is the land is land cover generally. So methodology. So I selected Jaglur Talak, that is out of 130 villages. I selected, so in each direction, north, south, east, west. So selected 30 locations for groundwater level I want to measure. So these are the locations now where our Jaglur Talak is there. These are the villages. So I collected groundwater levels I measured. So this is a very important groundwater level measurement. What is the groundwater level measurement? How can we do? Groundwater level measurement, you want to find out the where is the bore wells. We have to find out the bore well. So bore well, we want to find out the bore well. We can go there. We can go there, and also we have instrument, that is sounding machine, that the water sensor instrument is there. So that instrument, including that instrument, we have to find out the what is the depth of the water level. So that's I want to find out. So in this area, we are in a total 30 locations in our Jaglur Talak. We are findings. So each one location to another location, we are maintaining 3 to 4 kilometers surrounding Jaglur Talak. Then we are went to there, and we are using that instrument. So it when it will go inside the borewell, we will get the one beep sound, that is the water level. So we want to measure how much is there, what is the water level, groundwater level. That is very important. Next, borewell inventory. What is borewell inventory? We will collect the lot of information from the farmers. They will give farmers. I will show in the table in next slides. So depth to water level, that's same depth to water level. It means how much water level is there. Suppose 100 feet is there. So how much water level is there? It is increase or decrease. We want to find out. So based on the depth to water level, you want to find out water level fluctuation. What is the water level fluctuation? It means I will give example. So it is fluctuation. It is there. You want to find it in the pre-monsoon. 30 meters is there water, that is 30 meters is there. You can go there in a post monsoon in a same location, 35 is there, that is the water level fluctuation. 30 is there, 5 meter it increasing, that's why, or decreasing, that is the water level fluctuation. Result and discussion. This is the borewell inventory. Already I told you, borewell inventory means we'll collect lot of information orally based on that farmers. They will give the oral answer. So we will make this table. So we can call what is the static water level, what is the output of the water, so and how much electricity, how much hour is there, how much pumping per day. So likewise, we will collect all of information from the farmers. So they will give lot of informations. So based on these information, we can conclude. It means how much is there one location to another, like how much it is when to fall or rise. You want to find out. So what purpose they are using. So basically these are the basic information. So this is a very important groundwater level table. So and pre-monsoon and post-monsoon MBGL it is there. MBGL is a meter below ground level. Whenever we go to the bore well, we can take the after the bore well only. So we can take. So these are the 30 locations is there. This is a pre-monsoon. This is a post-monsoon. 22, 29 is there. 21 to 83 is there. That is a meter below ground. So this is the fluctuation. These are the fluctuation. This maximum, minimum. So overall 30 location. What is the maximum in the pre-monsoon? 40.87. That is, it means MBGL. That much water level is there. Minimum 17.18. It is increased. So once we calculate, so we'll get the 0.04 MBGL and 1.86 MBGL, meter below ground level. So you can observe here, what is a 40.87 it is, that is a Malayamachikari is the highest. It went to groundwater level. So based on this one, you can make this one. These are slides. Groundwater level. What is the groundwater level? Pre-months is what happened and post-months is what happened. We want to find out. Here, MBGL it means meter below ground. High 40.87 and low 17.18. This is that Malayamachikari and Jaglur. These are, and another one post-monsoon item. Here we can go in decrease of the white color. So these are the very less of the. It means more water is there. Where is the very dark? It means it will go to inside. So overall, this result it is illustrate that maximum depth of the groundwater during the pre-monsoon. And also is the post-monsoon also we can observe here. So also we collect the information from through the coordinate GIS, ground geographic information system. So based on these values, we'll come to the conclusion. The result of the groundwater level assessment depicts that water level is increased during the post monsoon compared to the pre-monsoon season, which may have been caused due to the infiltration of rain water during the monsoon season. This is the one reason. I will conclude. And the assessment of seasonal variability illustrates seasonal variability. It means that pre-monsoon and post-monsoon, that the higher variation in present of the in the southern part, whereas the low variation is present in the north and northeast part of the steady area. It is different in south area, so north area also. The result of groundwater level interpolation showed that groundwater level was found increased compared to the pre-monsoon. It means we have to, it is increasing. It means rise. It means groundwater level, it will be rise. That's depend upon the pre-monsoon to post-monsoon. That is a one very important. And finally, we found a shortage of rainfall is one of the reasons for depth to water level decreases, falls under semi-arid region. This location is a semi-arid region. So finally, I will tell you that is a groundwater level fluctuation is the 1 meter to 2 meters. We can fluctuation is happening. So because of the season-wise difference and shortage of rainfall, so these are the reasons. So during the field work, I have taken these photos. So this reference. Thank you.
Thank you, Praveen. To finish it within your time frame, and I hope your work can be a useful one for the local authority or
Yes.
the government of that area. And of course, probably in future you will do further understanding the mechanism behind it, that geology or hydrogeology or any other factors in it. Anyway, so